neck. Squeeze the bones, inflate like a balloon. Out. Hang the muscle. Relax in the stretch. Better. So I want to feel the compression of your hands on my feet. So you push yourself away from the floor.
In time it gets better. Yeah, it's always
That's better. We want you up. Build a little bit more pressure and then release this pressure so that you open the effect a little bit more. Okay, so you stretch in, release, and then stretch out again. And now you can use that and bring it back to it. And then you get more quality in the rebound we've been doing earlier, right? Because the same concept is like someone is touching you, you're like, oh, that's nice. And you guide that with you a little bit and turn it around. So you don't allow me any time to touch your root. Yeah. He doesn't feel a line. You need to feel a line to work with it. Clear line. So I stretch in towards the base and I stretch out. And now we get a nice rebound going. Now I give him a longer time. He's like, oh, there's his base. Oh, there's the stretch. Oh, there's the weight. It's more clear. Better practice. You get more clarity, got more time. You see more. It's like driving in a landscape. You slow down, you see more. Go quicker, you can only go like brrr. And that's the whole difference. So take your time feeding. Give him a long line. Okay? Then he grows quicker.
It's coming, but you must be clearer. And no doubt.
Yeah.
Better.
You catch me, you take me with you, you lead me into it, and now we turn it around. That's a loop. That's like, oh, you can lead me into you. Yeah. So I'm there, you're already on me, you lead me into you. And now the elasticity sort of builds up like a curve, right? Like, ooh, oh, poing. There we go. Good. Okay, a couple more minutes.